Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today we're going to do something a little different on this channel. Different but exciting. What I'm going to do is get these things I call nails together, because right now they're a hot mess and I need them hot like fire. Okay, so before we get even into that, let me go ahead and thank Madam Glam for reaching out to your girl asking if I wanted to try some of their products, and of course the girl said yes. Okay, so if you want to see what I got from Madam Glam and you are new or not new to my channel, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me trying something new, and leave me a comment at the end. Okay, Madam Glam products are vegan, cruelty-free, and 21 free gels. Now what does 21 free mean? I didn't even know, so of course I looked it up. And here we go. I'm taking a break from my press-ons at the moment. My nails need help. They're weak on a regular day, okay? So what I'm hoping to do is have my nails look decent again, of course. Okay, so this is what they sent me, and I am so grateful and thankful. Do you know it took me forever and a day just to try to figure out what I want to try, because there were so many to choose from. I chose a fall color, I needed something with sparkle, and I needed something to stand out. So we have this purple, and this one's called Office Gossip. I'm no longer in the office right now, but look, this is my own little office in the home. So this is a blue, and this is like a fluorescent blue. Had to get it. This is called Take Me to Mykonos. I assume that's a vacation spot. Sounds good to me. 21 free formula, HEMA free, cruelty free. This also says palm oil free. So if any of you have palm oil allergies, that's good to know, right? Have directions and ingredients on the back of the bottles. And my third one here, I had to get some sparkle. Okay, so we have this one here, and this one is called Sticky Toffee. I want to wear this one because I think this is gonna look good with my whole entire look here, but I really want to try all three of them, so we might even do that. This one's supposed to be more effervescent. It has glitter in there, the shimmers, the stuff us girls like. And they also included a soak off base coat and a soak off top coat. I don't know about you, if you've ever tried any Madam Glam products, I've always wanted to try. I watch nail videos here on YouTube. Madam Glam is popular, so again, thank you to them. They also included directions on how to use their gel polishes. This is for both home and professional use. When you go to madamglam.com and you decide to place an order with my discount code, make sure you choose the option for pay as you go instead of VIP. I assume the VIP is for professional use only. So we are at home trying to get our nails together, all right? So anyway, it says all the directions. And it does say, it says we guarantee up to 4 weeks of perfect shine. And where? Now that's going to be interesting to see because I'm very, very rough on my hands, have my hands in water all the time, all types of stuff. So anyway, this is a vegan formula. So they do not use any animal derived ingredients. This is a 21 free formula, which is free from 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in nail polish. This is cruelty free. They don't do any testing on animals whatsoever. Palm oil free, and it's produced with respect to the environment. It says Madam Glam was founded with a rebellious mind and a lofty objective to create salon quality, carefully sourced nail and gel polishes. We decided to bring together a community of passionate nail specialists to build a one-stop shop for all things nails. Okay, Madam Glam, okay. All right, so they also included a UV LED lamp. Now I have a big, I don't know if you use gel polishing and you have there's the bigger version, which I have, but I've always wanted a smaller version. And look at it. It is so small. I mean, I can hold in the palm of my hand, y'all. Oh, so cute, so cute. So anyway, this is their Madam Glam Mini UV LED light one button setting, which is for 45 seconds and 60 seconds. Of course, the manual on the inside. What I'm going to do is cut my nails down. I have a lot of damage, chipping. I broke it in a weird spot. They look a hot mess, so I want to cover it up, but I need to go ahead and cut them down a little bit. I think I'm going to use all three. I want to try all three. So if you've ever used gel polish before, you want to go ahead and prep the nails, make sure there's no oil or anything on them. If you have, thick, dry cuticle, make sure you get your cuticle in order. Push those back. Here we go. And we have this end. So I have an extension cord that already has the outlet for this. First layer is very opaque, and what I did on their site, you're able to see the opaque levels for each type of nail polish. There's so much information. I didn't even know that was even an option. So pretty. So this is what it's looking like, and because I wanted to try all three polishes, this is what we have here. Hey, it's still cute to me. So let me go ahead and try this, and I think I'm gonna do 60. So 1, 2, and I think I'm just gonna do it like this, since I figured out I can do this and get all my nails underneath. Okay. Okay, so now to go in with top coat. All the polishes are a nice consistency. They're not too thin. They're not running down the sides of my nails. And they give a nice coat. You may not wear them the same way I am. You know, you may stick to one color, but I want to make sure you guys saw what it really looked like for all three colors I chose. I'm gonna do this 60. The shine is amazing. And the polish didn't run to the sidewalls of my nail, and I am for that. Here we go. And yeah, the pattern in which I painted them is a little different here, but you know what? I'm a little different. I love it. I love doing my own thing. So if you like doing your own thing, make sure you check out madamglam.com. Use my discount code OlenaR35. These nail polishes are not strongly scented. Thank goodness. Let me know. Are you ready to get your glam on? Are you ready to do your own thing with your nails just like I did? Whether it's your natural nails, press-ons, acrylics, whatever. Check out Madam Glam for beautiful, clean, vegan, 21 free, beautiful nail polish. So anyway, take care. Doing your nails is part of self-care. So get what you need and treat yourself. Treat yourself in an affordable way, okay? Other than that, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Hit the notification bell when you do subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me trying something new on my nails. And leave me a comment. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.